Gerry, welcome to Dugard. Your new starter here. Tell us about your background.
Background is in sliding head engineering, plant manager in one of the biggest factories in Scotland for CNC sliding head lathes.
Oh, so you've got full hands-on experience. You know the ins and outs of a turning machine.
Yes, I would say so, yes.
What about the cutting tool side as well? Because that's important in machine tools these days when you're talking turnkey projects and supporting customers. Have you had much experience in that area too?
I worked 2 years covering Scotland for a tooling company. Enjoyed it at the time as well.
And tell us, what is your area for those that are interested in Dugard's products? Where would you be covering?
My area will be the whole of Scotland and indeed the north east of England.
And what surprises you most, or what do you like most about the products that you see here today at Dugard? Because there's a lot of machines coming through, isn't there, here?
It's a wide range of machines indeed, yeah, and very, very new technology as well. I'm looking forward to working with the machines.
Okay, so if you're interested in a machine in the north of England or in Scotland, then Gerry's your man. We shall put his contact details on the screen. Of course, you'll know, I'm sure, the machines that Dugard supplied. If you don't, then visit dugard.com. Thank you very much, Gerry, and good luck.
Thank you very much.